Bigay mo na.
Ay, huwag ka maingay. What do you want? Swimming or teddy?
I want daddy. I want daddy. I want daddy.
I will give you the teddy bear, but no more swimming, okay?
I want daddy. I want daddy.
Bigay mo muna. Ingit. Anak lang.
That is mine. Why you Papa give it to me? Ha?
Please.
I want daddy.
Then
Oh.
why you're crying?
Papa said that's for me.
I want to borrow.
Oh, baro.
With this one.
I don't want.
Okay, okay na, baby. Stop na.
This is mine. This is not yours.
Yung uso.
Okay.
Naalala ko tuloy si Ate Molo pag iyak na nga. Ano nga?
Hey. You want this or swimming?
I want daddy.
You want this or swimming? No more swimming na ha.
I want to swim too.
No, dapat isa-isa lang.
I want swimming too. I want daddy too. I want daddy swimming.
That's for mama.
Papa said with this one.
I don't want that.
Only teddy bear? No.
Okay. Sa'yo na yung teddy bear. Basta sa akin yung chocolate. Huwag kang kukuha ng chocolate ko ha.
Ngayon lang yan. Mamaya pag sa iwan sa inyong dalawa magnanay.
I'm moving to shop up.